This is going to be trouble in Terrorist Town.
Yes. All right. Go.
Everyone back up.
Terrible.
Just back up.
I don't care if you don't touch me. You didn't touch me last time. I turned 5 when you stopped. Where did Marcel go?
Marcel's all the way in the back. I think he went in the tall grass. He's behind the tree. I don't, Brian. Luke's probably a terrorist. Why is he going back there? Brian, I don't trust Luke.
I don't trust you either. That's all you got posted.
Ah. Heads up, he's pointing, he's pointing. I don't trust Marcel either.
I'm just going with Chris.
Alright.
He's still on there?
Yeah. Yeah.
And how's he not? Fine.
Marcel,
Trust a man in a bunker.
can I trust you? Can I trust you?
Of course you can trust
Can I trust you, Marcel?
No, you can't trust me.
Fuck you.
You can't trust me. You can't trust the investigator. Why should you do that?
I don't trust Luke. I for sure don't trust Luke.
Let's sneak up on Luke, I guess. Sneak up on him.
Alright, you wanna go?
I'm watching out for Chris.
I'm so tempted. I don't trust you, Luke. Brian, I think he's a terrorist. Did he shoot at you?
Yeah, he shot one of us.
Kill him, kill him. He's a terrorist. Guys, I think Luke's a terrorist. Unless they're messing with each other.
You got hit?
Let's go investigate this.
I got Luke. It's Brian, man.
Chris, move up. Luke, just keep your head down. Ah, hit.
Brian, you're hit.
Alright. He's hit.
Terrorist.
Terrorists win.
Who are the terrorists?
Me and Jordan.
Yeah. Dude, I played you so well.
Luke's a terrorist.
No.
I got you guys against each other. It was just moments until Chris shot Marcel. That was a good game though.
Yeah, that's fun.